it's Tomo. I was born and raised in Osaka, Japan. I live here in Tokyo right now. And I introduce you Japanese culture, food, lifestyle, like what we do in real life. One of my friends told me that I should introduce something traditional. And I came up with my favorite sweet, and I think it's the best in the world. For me, most of Japanese people don't even agree with it, but I love this. It's popular during the winter season in Japan. I know it's May, getting hot, ready to summer, but I don't care. I just want to eat it and show you guys right now. So, once again, personally, this is the best sweet in the world. Zenzai. Thank you guys for watching. It looks really great, isn't it? いただきます。So, Zenzai is made of red bean, sugar, water, and little bit salt. That's it. That's all you need to make it. Omochi, right? Ice cake. It's pretty easy, right? There is a similar sweet. It's called oshiruko. The difference between Zenzai and oshiruko is that it's kind of complicated. First of all, east and west side of Japan have different meanings for each name. In east side of Japan, like here, Tokyo, oshiruko has more juice than Zenzai. In west side of Japan, like Osaka, my hometown, Kobe, Fukuoka, if it's coarse beans, like, it leaves bean shape, you can still taste being peel. It's 粒あん. It's called Zenzai. Yes, it's confusing, but honestly, you can call whichever you want. No one really cares. So, which one do you like better to say it? Yeah, I wanna ask you, like, which one does it sound more cool to you? Let's decide. Hey, do you wanna grab some? Hey, do you wanna grab Zenzai sometime? Hey, why don't we get an Oshi logo after this? How was it? Please tell me in the comments below. Alright, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you like it and I'll see you in the next video.